Let's say you are a Tesla supplier. Tesla is aggressively reducing its vehicle prices. This is good news for Tesla buyers, but if you are a parts supplier for Tesla, how do you respond to this situation? Before I discuss Tesla supplier options, please be aware that Tesla's recent price war has put pressure on its suppliers to reduce their prices. This can be a challenging situation for suppliers who are already struggling to keep up with the demands of the fast-growing electric vehicle market. It is never good for suppliers when automakers cut vehicle prices because the pressure rolls downhill. However, there are strategies that suppliers can use to respond to these pressures and still remain competitive. So I'm going to discuss some of them in this report. First strategy, seek alternative markets. If you are unable to meet Tesla's pricing demands, consider seeking alternative markets. There are many other electric vehicle manufacturers, the list of growing of electric vehicle manufacturers who may be interested in your products. By diversifying your customer base, you can reduce your dependence on any one company and protect yourself against price pressures. Second alternative, improve your efficiency. There is always place to improve efficiency. Another way to reduce costs is to improve efficiency. This could mean streamlining your production processes, automating certain tasks, or investing in new equipment. If reducing your cost of production, you can offer more competitive prices to Tesla and other customers. This is good for you, for Tesla automakers, and for people who buy Tesla vehicles. Third, negotiate with Tesla. If you have a strong relationship with Tesla, you may be able to negotiate a better price for your products. Be transparent about your costs and the value that your products bring to Tesla's supply chain. By demonstrating your value, you may be able to negotiate a more favorable price between you and Tesla. And next one, offer value added services. Another way to add value to your products is to offer value added services. This could mean providing technical support, training, or custom packaging. By offering these services, you can differentiate yourself from other suppliers and increase the value that you bring to Tesla's supply chain. Another option suppliers have is consider joint ventures. So partnering with other suppliers to create joint ventures. By pooling your resources and expertise, you can offer more competitive prices and value-added services to Tesla. This could also help you gain more leverage in negotiations and reduce your dependence on any one company. In other words, look around, see what other options you have. The Tesla price war can be a challenging situation for suppliers, like I said, but there are strategies that you as a supplier can use to respond by seeking alternative markets, improving your efficiency, negotiating with Tesla, offering value-added services, and considering joint venture with Tesla or with other parts suppliers. This will help you to remain competitive in your business. In the meantime, Tesla's recent price cuts in China have been successful in stimulating demand for their electric vehicles. In response, the company has decided to increase production at their Shanghai facility to meet the growing demand. Tesla has been making waves in the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. The company's latest move to raise production at its Shanghai plant is yet another testament to its commitment to meeting the growing demand for its vehicles in China and possibly overseas markets where Tesla is delivering cars from Gigafactory Shanghai. So according to a memo seen by Reuters and confirmed by a source with knowledge of the plan, Tesla plans to increase output at its Shanghai factory over the next 2 months. The aggressive price cuts on its best-selling models have apparently fueled demand, and the company is responding by ramping up production to meet that demand. The memo detailed that Tesla plans to produce a weekly average of nearly 20,000 units in February and March. This news is a clear indication that Tesla is focused on maintaining its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. The company's Gigafactory Shanghai is one of its most productive and profitable manufacturing hubs that Tesla has, and the increased output here will help ensure that the company continues to meet the needs of its customers. Honestly, I didn't know Tesla Giga Shanghai can do 20,000 vehicles per week. That's a lot. The news of Tesla's increased production at Gigafactory Shanghai also highlights the growing popularity of its vehicle in China. With its large population and expanding middle class, China is a critical market for any car maker looking to make a significant impact. Tesla's success in the country is not just a win for Tesla, but also a win for the environment and a step towards a more sustainable future. So now let's take a look at Tesla's focus on the Chinese market. Tesla has been focusing on the Chinese market for some time now, recognizing the Chinese market's potential as a key player in the global electric vehicle market, China as a country. In 2019, they opened their first overseas gigafactory in Shanghai, which has since been producing Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for the Chinese market and for Asian countries, and exporting from Gigafactory Shanghai. The company's strategy in China has been to offer competitive pricing for the electric vehicles, which has helped to drive demand and increase market share. This latest move to increase production in response to the success of the recent price cuts is a clear sign that Tesla is committed to maintaining its position in the Chinese market. Now let's take a look at something else. Let's take a look at the benefits of increased production in Gigafactory Shanghai. Like I said, production is due to the price wars and demand after that, which puts pressure on suppliers. The increase in production at Shanghai, Tesla is able to better meet the demands of the Chinese market and maintain its competitiveness in the market. Additionally, having a strong presence in China will help Tesla to tap into the country's vast network of suppliers and partners, further enhancing their competitiveness in the global electric vehicle market. Hence, there's options that the suppliers have to make themselves more competitive. Furthermore, by producing more vehicles in China, Tesla will be able to reduce the impact of import tariffs, which can add significantly to the cost of importing vehicles from overseas. And last, let's consider the Tesla's long-term strategy with the Chinese market. Where does Tesla see itself in the several coming years? Tesla's decision to increase production in Shanghai is part of a long-term strategy to establish a strong presence in the Chinese market. Like I said earlier, by offering competitive pricing, high-quality electric vehicles, and building a strong network of partners and suppliers in the country, which may be under pressure right now because of the price cuts, Tesla is positioning itself to become a leading player in the Chinese electric vehicle market. In the coming years, Tesla is expected to continue its focus on the Chinese market, exploring new opportunities and initiatives to further enhance their competitiveness in the market. This could include the development of new products, new vehicles, new services, as well as expanding Tesla's network of charging and service centers in the country, which are growing daily or weekly. Tesla's recent price cuts and increased production in Shanghai are a clear indication or clear indicators of their commitment to the Chinese market. By offering competitive pricing and high-quality electric vehicles and building a strong network of partners and suppliers, Tesla is positioning itself to become a leader in the Chinese market. With a long-term focus on the country, Tesla is now well positioned for success in the years to come. So what do you think, friends, about all these developments, all the options that Tesla suppliers have after the price cuts? And what do you think about what Tesla can do in terms of negotiating? But it's good that this is little pressure on the suppliers. They will try to find, basically try to find new ways to make themselves more competitive, cut prices here and there, and still remain competitive through different options that I discussed here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's continue the discussion there as we always do, and I'll try to respond as often as possible. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please visit us at torquenews.com for daily automotive news. We have lots of coverage. God bless you, and give us thumbs up if you found this report helpful, and I'll see you soon in our next report. So how else do you think suppliers can respond when automakers like Tesla cuts the prices and puts pressures on suppliers? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. See you soon.